Hi, my name is Yaroslav Korniyets, and I'm a product manager for Cinegy Multiviewer, for Cinegy Route, for Cinegy Player, and many more products that you may be dealing with. I work with a lot of our customers directly just because I'm involved in Cinegy Professional Services team, so I am able to gather direct feedback from the customers, and this experience allows me to use that knowledge and that feedback in the products we design and contribute effectively in what we are trying to deliver to the market. So the main products I overlook are Cinegy Multiviewer, which is one of our flagship products that is responsible for automated video signal monitoring with built-in alarms, with multiple layouts, hardware acceleration, and alerting system, as well as metrics. But it's not just that product I look after, it's also Cinegy Route, that is our IP registry and a routing product that helps you to keep your IP infrastructure in order and deliver more flexible scenarios. So another product that I overlook is Cinegy Stream Switcher that we have just updated on our portal and released a 23.2 version of. This product is a tiny but important bit of internal infrastructure, as it provides the resilience options for your streams, allowing you to switch from main sources to backup in case of any failures. It's simple, but it does magic in your workflow. Just because we released the new version of the Cinegy Stream Switcher just now, we are not expecting any new features on that front. However, I'm quite excited to talk about the expected updates in Cinegy Multiviewer, because one of the things that will be AMD hardware decoding, which I personally tested recently, and I was quite happy with the way it works. So we're expecting a beta version of Cinegy Multiviewer with extended range of vendors for hardware decoding and encoding. As far as Cinegy Route goes, some of you might have seen that there has been a new release recently, and some of you might think that it's just a mere facelift to the application. However, it's not. We introduced quite a few nice features. We improved the usability, and now your experience with Cinegy Route is going to be significantly better and simpler. But it's not just that. We also introduced HEVC hardware acceleration, so your previews are going to be looking nicer with the pristine quality, and now with hardware acceleration for all of your codecs. We also introduced an extended support for Cinegy Event Manager plugins, so effectively that allows you to integrate Cinegy Route with any of the existing devices on the list or any new devices if you fancy writing your own plugin for Cinegy Event Manager. If you don't, reach out to us in Cinegy Professional Services and we will either teach you how to do that or do it for you. A lot of you may know that Cinegy has been a propagator of IP industry ever since the day we were born, and we were the earliest appropriators of the technology and the locomotion in it. It wouldn't be possible without products like Cinegy Route or Cinegy Multiviewer, because those are our flagship IP products. Cinegy Route integrates with every bit of Cinegy infrastructure, so effectively you can get access to your physical sources and virtual destinations from Capture or Multiviewer and use those streams immediately without using the spreadsheets or copying and pasting or typing the IP addresses, which I know is the annoying bit about the IP infrastructure. Additionally, Cinegy Route offers you a flexibility of using the virtual destinations. Effectively, Cinegy Route may serve as a replacement for traditional hardware routers, but in the world of IP. If you haven't tried it yet, please download the trial and go ahead and try it. Even if you have 10 IP sources in your network, Cinegy Route will make your life way easier, trust me. It's the customer feedback that I'm most proud of when it comes to my products, because effectively they all come as a part of an upgrade to IP infrastructure, and I chose that word deliberately because switching from the old SDI ways to the modern IP infrastructure is an upgrade. And seeing all these customers, all these engineers happy with what they're doing in few clicks instead of a lot of manual laborious actions is something that brings me joy. It is also quite impressive how wide the area of application for Cinegy Multiviewer is, because in some of the production requirements, it is just a quad split that can be delivered by a regular CCTV security camera system. However, in bigger installations, you really do need those automatic alerts, and you do need to manage hundreds of feeds of different kinds. Multiviewer gives you that flexibility with its multi-layout rollouts and multi-output deployments. It helps you to build a robust system that can deliver feeds to different locations across your infrastructure and feed back the telemetry and alerts to different alerting systems and aggregators that would allow you to consolidate and centralize your monitoring in one place. One of the usual challenges we face is a requirement to support non-broadcast formats and streaming protocols. Unfortunately, there are no standards for them, and it would be a nightmare of a challenge to have them supported. In Multiviewer in particular, we had a lot of our customers asking about RTMP streaming, which we never intended to support. Fortunately, these days more and more streaming platforms are supporting SRT technology, and Multiviewer has been ready for that for years now. So now we're offering that option. Best thing I like about working for Cinegy is that it's like a family. I know it's a cliche thing to say, but Cinegy is a relatively small company, and you get this really nice bonding with your colleagues, which makes it feel like you're talking to your family members because they share the experience in life and professional areas with you and let you grow. I joined Cinegy as a QA engineer and then progressed to a technical support member, which then opened the door for me in project management and eventually lifted me to product management. Some of these functions I still combine even now because working in professional services team, you still do a lot of higher level technical support job, but effectively the responsibility is now higher and the challenges are more fun. So in order to get a deeper knowledge about Cinegy products is going to Cinegy Open, which is open.cinegy.com, where you can find all our documentation widely available, indexed by Google and searchable, which is really important. If you want to speak to a real person, just fire us an email and we'll be able to suggest you best ways to deepen your knowledge and great, brilliant ideas. If you have more specific questions, don't hesitate to get in touch with us. We will be happy to help.